So good morning guys, I just wake up, it's 5 to 3 a.m. in the morning. So now I wake up hungry. So now I'm gonna make myself a triple sandwich, Amke's triple sandwich. So right here, now I'm just gonna spread the Western style butter on there. Put a bit of salt, pepper, and the sweet paprika. So right here, this side guys, and spread it nice and even, all over the bread. Nice and even all over the bread. Amke's kitchen, So I don't have 3 hands, so I have to do it with 1 hand, with 2 hands. So right here, then you take some salt. Put on top like so. And salt beautiful. And you take some pepper. And salt. That's enough. And then you take some sweet paprika. And see. And that was beautiful, huh? It's absolutely amazing. So do this, then you put the other toast bread on top and do the same thing all over again. So guys, that's how close to toast bread. So spread it nice and even. So that's it. Take some salt, put on top. Like that. And put some pepper. That's it. Amke's kitchen. And take some sweet paprika, put on top as well. So that, and then put the other toast bread on top. So that's gonna be Amke's breakfast time. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. So thank you guys for watching. See you later.